Hello everyone and welcome to this new Wix tutorial where I am going to show you guys how to fix the non-functional Wix form. So if you're, let's just create a fixed form first, and then it would be easy for me to show you guys that how you can fix it. First of all, first thing first, what you need to do is go to your Wix.com. There you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password, a Google account, or you can also use an email address. After that, this is going to help you, find out the dashboard. From there, you can click on the site option or design site option and create a new design. After that, this is the type of the website that must appear. If you're a newbie, you should check out how to create a new website on Wix Studio. Now, or Wix.com. So you are going to navigate to this add elements option right here. There are so many options here. You have to go to this option of contact forms. Here you see there's create new form. So you're going to click in this option in order to create a new form. But if there's a bug and if it is not working, then you need to go to your there are a number of options. You need to navigate the problem and then you're going to fix it because there could be a problem in these steps. Let's just say I write here first name, second name, or last name, and then there is a position. If this is my phone number, let's just say this is my phone and I'm going to click on save. So this is going to be my phone. Now, where could the problem arise? The problem could be in checking the form. If it is embedding, we need to ensure that the form is embedded correctly on your side, or we could also verify the page connection. We could also check it out that if the, check email settings, check your spam filter. You can also update the website. You, in the end, would be able to contact the Wix support where there would be the live human support. If issue persists, contact the Wix support with detailed information about the problem. They could give you the assistant about it. And it could also include the spam submission, means you adjust the form settings to reduce the spam. Here you see this is the settings. You need to go to the settings right here. You need to go to this option of support. If you're feeling any issue, you need to go to Wix technical assistant or contact support care. So this is how you are going to fix your Wix form submission problem. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next tutorial.